Now we're going to complete example number 4. Example number 4 says translate rectangle WXYZ 2 units to the right and 4 units down. Then verify that the pre-image is congruent to the image. Right away, go ahead and let's cross out that part where it says to verify, because that's that really long part that we did in example 2 and example 3, and we're not going to do that for 4 or 5. I'm going to highlight 2 units to the right. You should underline it. And I'm going to highlight 4 units down. You should underline that. So our translation for this example, to the right means add 2, and 4 units down means we're going to subtract 4. So we're going to add 2 to the x coordinates and subtract 4 from the y coordinates. So let's put plus 2 minus 4. Now I already wrote the original coordinates down just to save some time. W is at -3, 2, x is at 1, 2, y is at 1, -1, z is at -3, -1. You could always pause the video until you get that written down. And then let's go ahead and find our prime points. So for w prime, you could either do 2 minus 3 or -3 plus 2. Either way, you get -1. For -4 plus 2 or 2 minus 4, you get -2. For x prime, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 minus 4 is -2. Y prime, 1 plus 2 is 3. -1 minus 4 is -5. For z prime, -3 plus 2 is -1. And -1 minus 4 is -5. Again, you could do that either way. You could do -1 minus 4 or -4 minus 1. It doesn't matter. If you do it correctly, you'll get the correct answer. After you find your new points, plot them. So I've got w prime at -1, -2. Label that w prime. 3, -2 is x prime. 3, -5, y prime. And -1, -5 is z prime. And then you're going to connect your points using your straight edge. I'm going to make my points a little thicker. Guys, it doesn't need to be perfect, just get it done. You get the point. Anyway, so let's just double check to make sure we're correct. Let's use the x points. 2 units to the right and 4 units down. That's 2 to the right, that's 4 down. Looks like we are correct. And again, you could do that with all 4 points. But that is how we would translate rectangle WXYZ, 2 units to the right and 4 units down.